Choosing a managed WordPress hosting is essential when you need a dedicated and robust environment, and shared hosting services can't give you that. In that case, managed WordPress hosting companies are your best option. In this video, we will review EasyWP, a managed WordPress hosting platform by Namecheap, and see how to set it up for optimal performance. EasyWP Hosting is one of the premium, affordable managed WordPress hosting companies in the market. If you search for the managed WordPress hosting solutions available on the internet, you will come across several well-known hosting providers with a price as high as $60 per month. When you are on a tight budget and can't spend $60 per month for hosting, those hosting companies will not be of any help for you. EasyWP comes with affordable hosting plans for everyone. On top of that, they have the best features for optimizing a WordPress website for performance. Some of the unique features of EasyWP include single dashboard for all your sites, blazing fast, affordable hosting, backup options, maintenance mode, free SSL, free subdomain, SFTP access, database access, and free CDN. What is in it for Blog Heist subscriber like you? For Blog Heist users, the EasyWP team will give a 1-month free trial without spending a single dime. If you want to test their performance, security, and scalability, you can utilize this trial period. Now, let's see how we can claim a 1-month free EasyWP trial and start a WordPress blog instantly. First thing you need to do is to use the link in the description to visit Namecheap EasyWP page. Click on the Try for Free button. Once you have clicked on the Try for Free button, you will be redirected to the EasyWP dashboard. Do not need to create an additional account on the platform. By using your Namecheap credentials, you can log into the site. If you are new to this platform, click on the Sign Up button and create an account. In this case, I have already got an account with Namecheap, so I will use the same credentials for logging into the EasyWP platform. After validating user credentials, you will be redirected to the account dashboard. In the next step, you need to name your website. It can be anything and you can always change it later. Once you have done that, you need to select the purpose of your website. That's totally optional. In the next step, you need to choose a plan. Inside EasyWP, you will see two pricing models. One is monthly billing, and the other is yearly billing. If you need to save some extra money, the yearly plan is the best choice. Higher plans will give you more CPU, RAM, and features. On the other hand, if you are just starting out, the basic plan is good enough. Now, choose a domain name for your website. As we mentioned earlier, EasyWP comes with custom subdomain names. You can use it for a while if you like. If you have a domain name registered with Namecheap, choose the second option. Plus, if you have selected any other registrar, choose the third option and mention the domain name. In this case, I am good with the free domain that EasyWP generated. So, click on Continue and move to the next step. The next step, you can choose several plugins to install. This is totally optional. If you are starting a WooCommerce website, select the WooCommerce plugin. On the other hand, you can also skip this step, install those plugins later. Last, you can review your cart. You can complete the website creation by validating a payment gateway. As of today, Namecheap supports payment methods like credit card, PayPal account, and account top-up. Once you have selected a payment method, move forward, complete the purchase. This way, you can validate the order. Here, we have validated the offer using a credit card. Once you have completed the payment, you will be redirected to the EasyWP dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will see 4 sections, namely Overview, Backups, Files, and Database and Integration. Let us go through the sections one by one. First, let us go through the settings and configurations available in the Overview section. The Overview section contains everything you need to know about your website. The department will show you your domain name, site name, WordPress version, storage consumed, SSL certificate, status, plan, billing, next payment date. You can use these options to manage your domain name, SSL certificate, and payment option from here. Next section is the Backup section. Without using additional backup plugins, we can EasyWP to generate in-house backups. Inside your Backups section, you can manually create website backups. On top of that, you can also enter a description for your backup for easy understanding. All the created backups will be displayed inside the section. You can manage the backups from there. Next section is the Files and Database. If you need to access your website's files, you can use an FTP client, can choose the duration and click on Access Files. You can also access the website's database through PHPMyAdmin. Select Time and click on Access Database. And the last section to discuss is the integrations. The integration section, you can choose the add-ons you need inside your website for making your website more powerful. These add-ons are essential. You can click on the Visit Website buttons to check the add-ons. Once you're done with the section, you can access your WordPress admin area by clicking on the Admin button. Soon, you will be redirected to the WP Admin section. From there, you can create posts, pages, add new media files. This is how you can use EasyWP for hosting a managed WordPress site. Before we end the tutorial, we ran through some tests to check the performance of the server, and here are the results from GTmetrix. Pangdom Page Speed Test. Page Speed Insights. Given the speed and performance of the server, EasyWP is undoubtedly one of the best performing managed WordPress hosting solution for your WordPress site. EasyWP is definitely a good platform to give a try. After all, it is free to get started with the trial. To get started with the trial, feel free to use the link in the description. If you love this review, like, share and subscribe.